Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you what the 7 flashes error code means on your Rheem water heater and the steps that you should take before spending any money on the replacement of the gas valve. So a lot of people jump straight to the replacing part, but that's not always where the problem starts. So without further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to take a look at the status light on the gas control valve, and then you just have to simply count the flashes carefully. Now you need to wait for the sequence to repeat and then you need to count it again. So this sounds very simple, but a lot of people confuse the 6 flashes, the 7 flashes and even the 8 flashes, which can lead them to down the wrong troubleshooting path. Now, after doing this, what you can do is you can just simply perform a basic reset in which you just have to simply turn the gas knob off, and after doing so you just have to simply leave the unit for about 5 minutes, and you just have to simply wait and allow the control board to completely reset. So after doing this you just have to turn the control back on, and then you just have to simply watch the startup sequence. So if the flashing code immediately returns, it means the heater is still detecting the same fault. Now you can also inspect the wiring connected to the gas control valve. You need to simply take a look at any kind of loose connectors or damaged wires or sign of corrosion. Sometimes a poor electrical condition can also cause the communication issues that can trigger the fault codes even when the valve itself hasn't failed. Now at this point you need to also listen for the normal ignition sequence. If the burner never attempts to light up, repeatedly shuts off, or the unit never progresses through the startup, it means the gas control system may be preventing the operation because it has detected an internal problem. So this is often when the 7 flash code becomes persistent. So you can just keep these things in mind and you can just try these steps in order to fix it. Thank you.